Hi guys! LORELYNF here again, and today just a quick video for NOVSIGHT N35 LED headlight and N36 LED fog light in which I'm going to use for my Honda Jazz. Nabili ko to sa Shopee and no, this is not a sponsored video. Okay, let's start with the N35 LED headlight. This is H4 socket with 1x1 design, same to the bulb size. Literally a plug and play kasi ayoko din ng maraming wires kaya ito yung napili ko. Installing the unit is easy. Ang gamit ko pala guys ay yung Osram H4 bulb. Nahinaan kasi ako kaya pinalitan ko, although bago pa naman. So anyways, here is a test guys. Maliwanag to kumpara sa gamit kong bulb dati and malayo na rin yung buga and I'm sure hindi nakakasilaw to kasi una, maliit lang yung Jazz and then second, 50 watts lang yung kinuha ko kasi ayoko din na masyadong mataas na wattage na sobra sa nakalagay sa manual. So to be safe, okay na ako sa 50 watts at maliwanag talaga. And by the way guys, naka 3M Platinum tint ako. Ito yung galing pa sa kasa, so medyo faded na kaya papalitan ko na rin to soon. So far, satisfied naman ako dito. Hopefully, wala maging problema in the future. Moving on, next one natin is the NOVSIGHT N36 LED fog light. The one I have here is the amber color and H8 socket, again for Honda Jazz. So here is the box. Similar to the first one, straightforward, sealed, and here's the content and the unit. 1-to-1 din yung build guys and similar sa stock. It also includes an adapter or extension. And here's a comparison with the stock fog light of Honda Jazz. As you can see guys, the NOVSIGHT N36 is more vibrant, brighter, and wider. And there you have it guys! Sobrang satisfied ako sa products. Mura lang yung price pero okay na okay yung build and quality. Again, this is LORELYNF and thank you so much guys for watching.